You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce it correctly. The English pronunciation, a girl's name, generally from Latin, meaning dew of the sea. The British English pronunciation, UK, Romy, me. American English is just a tiny bit different, pronounced as Romy, or Romy. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments so we make sure we've got it all correctly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.